video. In this video, what we're going to talk about is coronavirus, or known as COVID-19. So, what is coronavirus? Coronavirus is a disease that outbreaked in Wuhan, China, and now is spreading all over the world. So, what are some symptoms? The symptoms are dry cough, fever, and shortness of breath. So, what can I do to prevent it? The things you can do is stop touching random surfaces. You don't know what's going to be on there. Again, stop touching random surfaces. There might be dust, bacteria, and diseases. So you don't know what's going to be on there, so stop touching random surfaces. Number 2 is wash your hands. Always wash your hands at least for 20 seconds with soap, or you could use sanitizer. Number 3 is touching your face after touching random surfaces. So stop touching any of your face particles. And number 4 is stay away from people at least 6 feet. Again, 6 feet. And I want to thank particular people. Number 1 are the doctors. Thank you so much. You leave your family behind and try to save the world. You work really hard. Thank you so much. As well as the nurses. You work harder. You work hard too. And you leave your family too. So doctors and nurses, we thank you so much. And next, number 3 are going to be police. Thank you so much. You stand outside, not even thinking about your own family or yourself. You just stand outside to tell people, please go, and we don't follow it. We still go outside. So please, us, do not go outside. And thank you so much, police, for telling us what we're supposed to do. And number 5 is the people that take out the trash. Thank you so much. Without you, we can't imagine our world just filled with trash, and the dustbin is probably going to be overflowing. So thank you so much for all the people that worked so hard for saving the world for us. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye guys.